You ever wonder what would happen if you have like a rock professor and you have a reggae professor? Because since the thing name War Professor means rap, it only makes sense say a rapper versus a reggae artist. But here the twist. Nothing but metaphors and punchline. We're gonna make the rapper go first, and then we're gonna make the reggae artist go next. The one with the most punchlines win.
Yeah.
How about that?
So we judging on for punchlines, right? Alright,
Yo, this should be real easy.
let's go, let's go.
Punchlines? I stay with a desert eagle, that's illegal. Trouble's coming, you feel it in the air like seagulls. So much ice, you probably think I got a football deal. I got more damn grass than a football field. Don't get it fucked up or get it fucked up. Ain't a car show, nigga, but I can take your roof off the truck. You go against me, you gotta spit a little harder. I put the heater to your ribs, give you sideburns like a barber. Bitch calling my phone, say yeah, he gone. She gave me more head than a hair salon. Grab your gun, but don't even step. Unless you won't be hospitalized with a tube in your neck. You better show some respect, cause if you don't, it gon' be the one thing in your life that you gon' regret. All that talking gon' get your whole family killed. Nigga, I'm more fucking horror than the Amityville. What? Yeah, I got to say.
You don't answer nothing
Those
that.
16.
I basic that. Yo, you what me have to say though? Punchline them say. Yo, me, one of a kind like fingerprints. You get shot faster than when a ninja blink. Me not have to do a bench press. Them punchline you alone, we knock out your rascal senseless. You know they talk easy. Listen, you never yet have a fist fight in I'm life. Believe me, you're broke cause you never yet put in work. A man slapping me, I'm say it never did hurt. You can't want me, youth. This is a mismatch. A girl thirsty, she want rub up on me 6 pack. Everywhere when me a chat, it offending him. Me talk big pocket puffy cause it's all about the Benjamin. That boy I done to no education. Mr. Sick before me rhyme, me take medication. Man a gallus, we fuck gal from all race. My cocky get more tongue than a shoes less. Me a the grimiest. You'd me run up now your house, duct tape a gal. Then me fuck up on the couch. Then leave on the trash like Oscar the Grouch.
There you have it, man. Yo, you listeners, you fans, you be the judge.
Welcome to the very first episode of Cultural Battle. This battle is for entertainment. Artists from 2 different countries who are going to use their lyrics to disrespect the other culture. And it's all in entertainment. Today we have one professor from Box TV representing Jamaica. And we have Rap-A-Lot representing the Americans. We're going to put in the rhythm and Rap-A-Lot. You're going to go first. No fighting. It's just lyrics and disrespecting each other culture for fun. Entertainment. Rap-A-Lot, start it.
I'm about to drop these bars, niggas take notes. You a Jamaican nigga, you fuck out like mad. I got your bitch on my dick like yeah. She eating the dick like ham, fam. Coconut niggas, all y'all do is scam. Fuck out of here, you's a pussy ass dude, and that's because you eat more pussy than food. Then you be up in the club like no way. Fuck out of here, nigga. Stop lying, you eat pussy every day. Bitch ass nigga, look at me wrong, I might burn you with the leg. Fucking Jamaicans, all y'all do is beg. What nigga? Huh nigga?
Rap-A-Lot do 15, him say some things, him say some hotline, and say some things. No, and your turn, if you defend the thing, and people who want to come up with Rap-A-Lot say, and if it sound like an insult, we gonna add it up, and we really around, one professor gonna do 15, and the judge is really Uno. So one professor the rhythm around, ready.
Rhyme so you spit that a bait fag. City sitting in your country and can't find a state job. This yard man you get your skull melt here. When you reach up in a project you wait for welfare. Vex cause you come here and I work harder. And not that alone dog me I work your mother. Watch how you step before you approach me. Plus I want to have more booty than grocery. Batty man Yankee, the whole on our class. Pants on the waist, you advertise batty. Watch your man. Yo, youth, where are you?
Alright, Rap-A-Lot, whoa, wait, no fighting, Bill Rap-A-Lot, but you can't do that Rap-A-Lot. Bill Rap-A-Lot, you can't do that now. You get your turn, you spend man get film turn. Alright, rap done. Alright, the back done. People, add up the lyrics them and the punchline and who get beat up and cast on the vote. I make you continue this thing. And don't forget to share and like. Box, don't move your face, Box TV. And for the next video, we're gonna have a Pakistani versus whoever win this round. I'm on. Box. Welcome to the second edition of Culture Lyrics Battle. Yesterday we were supposed to wrap up this episode. Unfortunately, the fans are saying another round, so therefore we have to give him another round. Fans, it's only 2 minutes, so therefore Rapalad gonna have to stay in your corner, War Professor stay in your corner. Each opponent get 8 bars only. Do the thing in that 8 bars. Rapalad, you go first. Rapalad, go.
I'm killing you today, nigga, there ain't no hope. You probably came here on a banana boat. Vitamin D, your girl sick, I got the antidote. Use a fruit, you looking like a cantaloupe. Talking all that bad man shit, but nobody believes ya. To come to my country, nigga, you need a visa. Ugly lookalikes, I can't make y'all out. I'm with Donald Trump's nigga, I'm trying to get y'all out. Fucking Aki use a fish like your national dish. Nigga, use a rookie. Jamaican bitches on the dance floor, they got blocks in they pussy.
Ooh. Ooh. Stay over there, don't move. Well, Professor, you already know. It's your turn. This is how we do it. You got 8 bars. Go ahead.
Yo, lyrics from a drop it, I got earth harder. You just flex, can come here and work harder. Ooh. Yankee, your face, girl, put her a scalp on. Before me even done the whole place, that's a yard man. 245, you for spray 90. All your grandmother get shot in her 90. As man land for the plane, the Yankee a fight with. Yo, we little but them not tell her like we. Gunshot, crack skull, brain cell, clot them well. Plus me have more bars than we cartel there.
Okay, that's it. Folks, we have got to vote right now. We gotta wrap this up because we got Abibi and he wants to spit. He wants to go against the winner. So let's wrap this up. Let's get the votes in. And don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. Box TV. Don't move your feet. Also, you can purchase a Box t-shirt just to support. People are needing to hurry up and vote because I already need to kill one of these idiots. I need you to hurry up and vote. I'm all ready. My strap. I'm ready to kill one of them. So please, vote the winner so I can kill him right now. Welcome to another episode of Box TV, Culture Battle Lyrics, Part 3. We got Abibi, he praying, he getting ready. It's supposed to be him and somebody, but since everybody want to battle tonight, it's gonna be 3 the hard way. 3 anybody go do whatever. Cause it seems like War Professor and Rapalad got some kind of ongoing beef they still need to settle. It's going down, I ain't got no popcorn, but I got cornflakes. Ooh! Share, comment, and like, and tell me who won and why they won.
To kill both of you, that's the least. I don't eat meat, but I feed your girl beef. Call for peace, cause if I shoot you, you're going to be dead and whiter than Tanto's teeth. Freaking dirt on my shoulder, I brush you off my collar. Open up my shirt with a bomb and scream holla. Stick your girl, she get a baby bump. I'm not leaving this country, go take from. Pakistan is the shit, I'm telling the truth. B, I poison your ass when you come to the store for Lucy. What is wrong with you? You cannot get me out. I kill every one of you.
What, Professor, go!
Yo, to eat that artist, you no want it. Female stinker than your armpit. Burn tire and gunshot with choke and fag. Plus, you don't know nothing about soap and rag. This Yankee boy I try play me dumb. Everybody you gonna know when me put one of your cranium. It seems like you no need y'all, cause in a 20 state you no make Batman legal. Nasty Yankee boy I will fool you. You are the type to take a shit and they even flush your dodo. Ayota man.
Alright, yo, Rapalad, your turn. Go, son, just go!
Yo, I'm tired of Jamaicans, the whole fucking race. You tired of yourself, that's why you bleach your face. You talk about my pants sagging, your pants tight. Bitches sucking bottles and dance, that ain't right. You getting on my nerves, I'm about to start flipping. Put the heater to your grill and turn you into jerk chicken. Chopped up when I popped up, your girl like foreigners, so it's easy for me to get my cocks up.
The battle's so nice, I forgot to open the cornflakes. Oh my God! Don't forget to log on and sign on to Box TV. If you miss this, it's gonna be on Box TV. So go like my Box TV page. Box. Don't move your face. Part 4's coming up. Share, comment, and like, and tell me who won and why they won. And because of this beef between these two, we're gonna have a freestyle acapella between the both. This has got to settle.
But mine.
Yo, Wagwan Brian. Well, Professor, what's up, yeah? I see your English bottle all over my timeline, yeah?
Yeah, man, the thing start already, you know.
I'm flying down, yeah?
Yeah, man, come true, man, you don't know.
I'm coming to represent for the UK because none of the artists can hold me, yeah?
Alright.
Gonna catch a flight right now, Mike. Welcome to another episode of Culture Battles Part 4. Today's episode, we got English Brian representing for the UK, and we have War Professor representing for Jamaica. We all know how it's going down. Artists will diss the crap out of each other's culture. Whoa. disrespect my culture, yeah? Yeah. It's not what I came here for. That's how it works. It's not what I came here for. BD's running, so guess what? You gotta go. Just spit something. You gotta do something. Okay, whatever.
Ma, name English Brian ain't saying I'm a nuisance. This rap shit I do, this spit full like mucus. You gotta be foolish. Fucking with me, I put a motherfucking chalk around your head like a booster. Push you down the steps of flight and say that's useless. Your bitch don't wanna suck my cock,
Yeah.
she's useless. I'm building an empire, but I ain't talking about Lucius. Thinking I'm gonna let you live? I can't do this. Just got to my attention and all y'all is dummies. Screaming real rich while you asking me for money. And your prime minister, yeah,
Okay.
she done some shit. Gave her a little bit of money and a prison for a dog. Stop your knives, yo. We don't want to hear it no longer. Drop the beat because them can't manage my anger. Brian, a waste man, me can't even bother. Take your money out your prison and go suck on the mother. Easy kill. Watch it now, I grave him there. Can't over some money for that slave thing there. Put my gunshot in a NSA. Rah, you dizzy yet, matter of fact. You go suck Queen Elizabeth. Before you see me, nigga, you smelling crime. I came with 245, but I ain't telling time. What? Yo,
Yo, whoa,
what, nigga? Yo, rap a lot, nigga.
I'm about to pop off. What the? Yo, chill. Anyway, folks, don't forget to share, comment, like, support by sharing, also buy a box t-shirt. Bucks, don't move your fears. Culture Battle Part 5 coming next. It's gonna be an all-around battle. Everybody gonna be in it battling. Everybody's gonna be crazy about it. Hey, you cannot talk to my brother like this. Welcome to another episode of Box TV Culture Battle Part 5. It's gonna be crazy. We got War Professor up in here. We got Rap-A-Lot in here. We got a BB. We got English Brian. We got everybody. But first, we gotta make sure everybody's safe. You got your burner on you? Son, why you always bringing the burner, son? Come on, son. Now, everybody's good. Go!
Yo, the killing thing, me I go show you how it work. Me born out a pussy from birth. Yeah, but fuck your gal as soon as she start flirt. You fling tongue under crotches, me fling dick under skirt. Rap-A-Lot, tenor bad, me know a lady bother. Me and my friend, them fuck out your baby mother. So that's the real thing, this pussy wall Rap-A-Lot. He ma carry one bag of pussy feeling. Yo, hold on there now, yard man a vulture. Alright, you know, me got disrespect in culture. A football to me thing, you hear that clapping, me no play basketball, I love touch man body. You know in a my league that use a real pato. Me fire gunshot out a gun. Him a fire gunshot out a ketchup buckle. Yo, I'm to that fool man. Suck your mother.
Rap-A-Lot, go!
My aim is to kill body boys so I target fags. Red dots on your head like a target bag. Yeah, you talk about my bitch, but I'm hardly mad. And that box shit is played out. I got your bitch in my bed, she laid out. While you calling the phone asking, yo, why you stayed out? My gun knows nothing about piece detection. Your pants so tight you got yeast infection. Bragging about you smashed my girl, that didn't hurt me. You smashed Shorty Raw and she had herpes. I chop you like a ninja, you ugly like a gully pop. One in your brain, nigga, I'll let your scully pop. What? Yo,
hey.
son, what up, son? What y'all niggas trying to do, son? Yo,
You
pass me my
cannot talk
gun.
to my brother like this. This is not good.
I Ferguson, me step in at the club with three gal. To kill body boy, them fi make that legal. Yo, this me and your life me a come feed. Fuck if me no kill something to them, me they not complete. Catch him at the bus stop, the boy ball complete. Mother start cry for him soul, but me done with him. But ya stink and she find him as well. Go fi 245, but I no time me a tell. This what you doing, boy? This is for me basement. You cannot come in here. Somebody go for me machine. Go for me machine.
You can support by buying a box t-shirt or just share the video. Culture Battles Part 6. Y'all don't wanna miss this, yo. Y'all know. Welcome to another episode of Box TV Culture Battles Part 6. Today in the house we got Rap-A-Lot, we got War Professor, we got a BB, we even have African Abdul. I don't know why so many people here today, but I guess it's going down. I don't care. Remember, today, you're gonna hear some disrespect and some punchlines. You the fans, you decide who the winner. Rap-A-Lot decided to go first, so go.
Yo, I heard this nigga broke. Is it true, fams? Yeah, I saw your bitch ass downtown getting food stamps. Turtle ass nigga, I put a slug in your gram. Sit down, cause you ain't never stood a chance. You act like Jamaican Mafia, I'm a real shotter. Fuck about you, nigga, suck your mother. Curry goat, nigga, get the fuck out my country. Before I get crossed with a hammer and hit you like Bounty.
I War Professor, go.
Booty mode. Them lyrics here go hurt your mother. Flip me cock in your mom, yeah, and jerk your mother.
English
Smash your
rhyme.
girl too, I got a story to tell. So much gunshot left him too holy for hell. Yo, for murder Mr. Batimo, time to start. Not even extra pussy can find me hard. You taking the piss, you all fucking madness. Left your mama and your whole fucking family in a sadness.
Rap a lot, I already fucked your auntie. In Africa, your bitches wear leaves for panty.
Oh.
Poured in my words, I got paid to spray. Kill the whole alphabet except from A to K.
Is that a bomb you bring here? Why you bring a bomb here? You cannot bring... Yo, baby, what you doing? What the? Look like they teamed up or something.